Hello, little learners. Welcome to another fun English learning video. Today, we are going to learn 20 amazing animals' names in English. You will learn animal names, easy pronunciation, correct spelling, fun example sentences, and a super fun quiz. Are you ready? Let's start our animal adventure now. Our first animal is lion. Say it with me. Lion. Great job. Spelling L-I-O-N. Lion. The lion is called the king of the jungle. Example sentence. The lion is strong. Repeat after me. The lion is strong. Next animal, tiger. Repeat. Tiger. Wonderful. Spelling T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Tigers have beautiful black stripes. Example sentence. The tiger runs fast. Now let's learn elephant. Repeat after me. Elephant. Excellent. Spelling E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Elephants have long trunks. Example sentence. The elephant is very big. Our next animal is dog. Say it with me. Dog. Awesome. Spelling D-O-G. Dog. Dogs are friendly pets. Example sentence. The dog is barking. Next animal, cat. Repeat. Cat. Great job. Spelling C-A-T. Cat. Cats love sleeping and playing. Example sentence. The cat is cute. Now let's learn horse. Repeat after me. Horse. Fantastic. Spelling H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Horses can run very fast. Example sentence. The horse is running. Animal number 7 is monkey. Repeat. Monkey. Wonderful. Spelling M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Monkeys love climbing trees. Example sentence. The monkey is jumping. Next animal, bear. Say it with me. Bear. Excellent. Spelling B-E-A-R. Bear. Bears are large and strong animals. Example sentence. The bear is strong. Now let's learn zebra. Repeat. Zebra. Great. Spelling Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. The zebra is eating grass. Next animal, giraffe. Repeat after me. Giraffe. Amazing. Spelling G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Giraffes have very long necks. Example sentence. The giraffe is tall. Animal number 11 is deer. Repeat. Deer. Wonderful. Spelling D-E-E-R. Deer. Deer are gentle animals. Example sentence. The deer runs quickly. Next animal, rabbit. Repeat after me. Rabbit. Excellent. Spelling R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Rabbits love carrots. Example sentence. The rabbit is hopping. Now let's learn fox. Repeat. Fox. Great job. Spelling F-O-X. Fox. Foxes are clever animals. Example sentence. The fox is smart. Next animal, panda. Say it with me. Panda. Awesome. Spelling P-A-N-D-A. Panda. Pandas love bamboo. Example sentence. The panda is eating bamboo. Animal number 15 is wolf. Repeat. Wolf. Fantastic. Spelling W-O-L-F. Wolf. Wolves live in forests. Example sentence. The wolf is howling. Next animal, camel. Repeat after me. Camel. Wonderful. Spelling C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Camels live in deserts. Example sentence. The camel walks slowly. Now let's learn cow. Repeat, cow. Excellent. Spelling, C-O-W. Cow. Cows give us milk. Example sentence, the cow is eating grass. Next animal, goat. Say it with me, goat. Amazing. Spelling, G-O-A-T. Goat. Goats love climbing rocks. Example sentence, the goat is jumping. Animal number 19 is pig. Repeat, pig. Great job. Spelling, P-I-G. Pig. Pigs love muddy places. Example sentence, the pig is pink. Our last animal is kangaroo. Repeat after me, kangaroo. Fantastic. Spelling, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. Kangaroos can jump very high. Example sentence, the kangaroo is hopping. Now it's quiz time. Question 1. Which animal is called the king of the jungle? Answer, lion. Excellent. Question 2. Which animal has a long trunk? Correct answer, elephant. Amazing. Question 3. Which animal has black and white stripes? Answer, zebra. Fantastic work. Today we learned 20 animals' name in English. Let's say them together one more time. Lion, tiger, elephant, dog, cat, horse, monkey, bear, zebra, giraffe, deer, rabbit, fox, panda, wolf, camel, cow, goat, pig, kangaroo. You did an amazing job today. Which animal is your favorite? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and keep learning every day. See you in the next fun lesson. Bye-bye, friends!